What up, you fucking savages? Just starting my day right now, heading downtown, and today I'm scootering because my truck's broken. It's about 4 kilometers to downtown to meet up with everybody, but then I'm gonna set up some new trucks. Stay tuned for some street footage. I got some hammers planned for this rail. One gnarly hill bomb away from the swimming hole. And here we are, almost downtown. Going to meet up at 242 at the skate shop, get some new trucks. And here's the beautiful river. Catch me diving off here, getting some life hammers in. Yeah! Hello?
Hello Evan, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Is that Kush?
Oh no, this is hash.
It's what?
Hash. This is hash. But, wait for it. This is Kush, oh yeah!
Yeah!
Tu vois? Mais le sticker job était bien.
There's Nikolai and his big fat.
Sometimes when Nikolai is rolling the street, his dicks must go out of here and he's rolling on it and just fall, slam. And it's, oh fuck, another time. Oh.
It's about the height of jumping off of right there.
Not today. I need the key and I don't have on me.
Oh.
Maybe tomorrow. Coming tomorrow and I do that.
Yes?
Pour faire un créneau ou quoi?
Cause I'm a bitch.
Okay.
Bring it, don't sing it. Bonne soirée, mesdames.
Oui, bonne soirée.
Ah oui, hein, quand même. Alright, so we just got here to the skate park. Set up some new trucks today, so I got some Indie Thunder collabs. And every time I get new trucks, I like to do the double tray flip test to make sure they work good. Is it just Josh Cat's thing to do? There we go. Oh, Hammer Central.
I was sorry.
Yeah. Beast mode. Oh, give me that dick, boy. Give me that dick. Wow.
Where's Seb?
I don't fucking know. Fuck yes, Nikolai. Paul Liliani!
No,
Is it true you're still on Alien Workshop?
I'm on Habitat now.
Habitat? That's sick. Do you still skate or just tennis these days?
No, I. Should I? Wait, one more time. Fuck you, man.
Is it filming? Yeah. Okay. So I just demolished this park, not even worth skating anymore, but I realized I didn't get a clip for the vlog, so I'm just gonna film something first try for you guys. Whatever you want to see. What's the trick? What do you want to see?
Double flipping the big flip back tail.
Kick flip back tail. Easy. First or second try?
Second.
Yeah, I know. It has to be. I wasn't. Third try. Watch the fuck out. I've been pissed off for the last fucking time today. What the fuck? Fucking film this.
High five, Jordan.
Yeah, man, sucks.
It's the fucking worst ledge in the world. I fucking hate this place. I hate Switzerland. I'm glad I'm fucking leaving.
Go back to America.
Yeah,
Fucking
I'm fucking
Mormon.
going to.
Fucking Mormon.
Fucking miss it. Oh my god, not even close. Watch this shit though. Hell yes. So normally I'd be fucking landing this shit easy, but I keep getting horny and distracted because of all these fucking sexy hunks over here working out. So I'll try right here, see if it works out, but if I don't land it, you know why. I completely forgot what I was doing with the last. Okay, Manny, watch. I've never seen myself do a pressure flip. They probably look so fucking sick though. Shit, fucking hammer time. Nate Sherwood, bitch.
Josh Katz, eat your heart out.
Better than Johnny Geiger.
No.
Johnny Geiger is the best.
Paul Liliani, what do you got?
Nothing.
Wow! Just like Paul Liliani. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we're shredding this spot and my camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna leave it filming and it'll probably die eventually, so watch the session from here on out. Alright, so the camera died, so that's it for today. I'll catch you guys in another life. I'm out.
Hey man.